Hello, if you want to change the keyboard language on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, you need to go to the settings. Then in the settings, you want to scroll pretty much all the way down to find general management and then go there. Over here, you want to select Samsung keyboard settings. And here you can change languages and types. You want to select this option. Now you can tap on the current language in order to, for instance, change the layout if needed. Or you can tap manage input languages in order to find the list of all languages that are supported on this keyboard, and then select the language that you want to use. And of course, you can also tap on the previous language that you don't want to use at all, so that you have only one. Now, if you have more than one language, you can still switch it while using the keyboard. So let's open the keyboard. And now we can press and hold on space. Sorry, not on space. We need to press this icon over here, this globe icon, in order to switch between different languages. So the current language will be visible on the spacebar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.